Want to buy a truck for industrial purposes? Purchasing a new one means a huge financial investment. Now you can protect yourself financially by purchasing the used ones. But where to buy the best conditioned used trucks at the best prices? Go through the wide vehicle collections of Car Depot. This leading used vehicle dealers in the USA have a large selection of professionally cleaned and sanitized, well-maintained local used cars for sale at fair prices. In their car inventory, you can find top-branded used economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks and vans for sale. Their team of knowledgeable and experienced professionals are always there to assist their clients in choosing the right car best suited to their budget and automotive needs. They even provide the lowest interest financing to all credit holders so that one can easily fulfill their vehicle purchasing dream. So without searching further, contact them now at 1-626-469-0034 to share your used vehicle requirements. If you have any further query, browse through cardepotag.com.